SwyxIt comes with an excellent CTI solution, offering all call handling features via soft phone and via desk phone. Many users do not want to give up their well-established phones on the desk, but unified communication is all about efficiency, collaboration and cooperation, so for most office-based employees it's vital to merge their telephony world with their computer network. Click to dial, fast access to voicemail and call recordings, or sending instant messages to co-workers are features which become second nature when using SwyxIt for daily business communication. Here a short demonstration on how easy you can control your phone calls from your computer. Here we have our SwyxIt client which runs on the computer, and here we have our standard Swyx Desk Phone. If we want to control the desk phone with the SwyxIt, the soft phone application has to run in CTI mode. To enable CTI functionality, verify that the user logged on the phone is the same as the one logged on to the soft phone. If this is the case, click on Setting, CTI, and enable Run as CTI SwyxIt. SwyxIt is now disconnecting the big server and searching for the device to control. This process takes a few seconds, and once the controlling device is found, the display is actually saying accept pairing, and now the pairing is established and we are connected. Now the two phones are linked. You can see the SwyxIt is running in CTI mode. If you lift the handset of your desk phone, the SwyxIt also goes off hook. And if you start dialing a number here, you see that the digits are coming into the SwyxIt soft phone as well. If you want to do a phone call from the PC, we just click on a speed dial, as an example here on Paul. Paul's phone is ringing, and you actually can see that it's ringing here, as well as it's ringing here on the SwyxIt. If Paul is answering this call, we are connected, the speaker is activated, and we can start our conversation just like that, via hands-free, or we pick up the handset and we have our conversation here. If I want to put now this caller on hold, I can do so by clicking the hold button on SwyxIt. You see now the call is on hold, line 1 is flashing, and on SwyxIt we see that Paul is on hold on line 1. If I want to retrieve this call, I can do so by clicking the hold button again, or by clicking the flashing line key on the Swyx phone. So as you can see, no two-stage dialing involved. You never lose control of your current phone call, since all the control options are available on your fingertip. Here another short demonstration on transferring calls in CTI mode. If we dial our demo mobile phone here via SwyxIt and hit enter on the keyboard, the Swyx phone starts dialing. The mobile phone is ringing shortly, and once the connection is established, we see that we are connected. And if I want to transfer this caller now to Paul, I can do so by clicking Paul on SwyxIt speed dial. The first line goes on hold, and on the second line we ring Paul. Paul is answering this phone call. And if I want to connect now the mobile phone with Paul, I can do so by either click call transfer on SwyxIt, or the call transfer button here on my Swyx phone. Okay, this phone call is now transferred. Now we are receiving an incoming call. Frank is ringing us. Line 1 is ringing on SwyxIt and also on the Swyx Phone. If I pick up now this call, and I'm in a conversation with Frank, and I want to transfer him off, I can simply do so by just clicking on the line key on SwyxIt and drag and drop the line over to Paul. I let go, and the call is transferred if Paul is actually answering this call. Now we see that the call transfer has been established and the two are connected. We see that here Paul is now read and also Frank is currently speaking in a conversation.